Many people are addicted to your regal and raw essence. People feel lost in you. There's a potency within your energy. You have a very commanding energy. Whenever you step into a room, there's something powerful. You are an enigma. People feel as if you are of high authority, regardless of your work title. You have gone through a lot. You have faced many roadblocks, many blockages, and you always transform from whatever it is that you have gone through. You have a very intense and dynamic energy. And whenever anyone gets into a friendship with you, a relationship with you, they are transformed forever. You're very high vibrational. You have so much passion, and whenever you encounter others, whenever you talk to others, people can sense the passion and excitement with you. Whenever you talk about your goals and what you want to do with your day, your week, you have that energy that inspires others as well. You are extremely creative, and people are drawn to your creativity. You have the capabilities to make people get lost within you. You have this magical aura and captivating, spellbinding essence. People feel safe whenever they are around you. People feel lost within you. You're like a dream to many. You are extremely well received by most people that you come across. Very popular, very likable. Many people look up to you. You could be in a position of power, or people feel that one day you will be in a position of power. Some of you could be in the public eye. Some of you could be known for your skills and your talents. And many people get addicted to your energy. Many people may want to study your formula. You are the blueprint. You're so free-spirited. You're so fun-loving, energetic, high vibrational. And people cannot get enough of you. But for some of you, many people have tried to compete with you, compete with your light. You know, many people have fought to be seen over you, feeling like the both of you can't shine together. It has to be them and not you. Many people were and still are threatened by your vitality. And when they find that they cannot compete where they do not compare, they become depressed, upset, angry. They become territorial of others that are gravitated towards you, especially if they knew these people before you. They're very fearful of losing others whenever you're around, because you lead with the heart. You're very heart-centered, and it's quite rare in the environments that you are in. You're very empathetic. You genuinely care for people, and this is not really seen in whatever environment you are in. You have this mothering, nurturing, healing energy. And you have that ability to make people that were stuck become awakened. You have that ability to make people see the possibilities that they can achieve in their life. You have that energy whereby you bring clarity to others, especially those that were stuck in certain patterns in relationships, certain patterns in work dynamics. You have the capability to free people from the mental entrapment that was imposed on them by themselves or others. You have that capability to make people go through their spiritual awakening. You have been through it all. And you have so much depth, so much wisdom, so much knowledge. Yes, you can be love and light, but there's a different side to you. And many people become addicted to this side. this spiritual side that you possess. Many people can get transformed by you. And because of this fact, they become obsessed with you. Some people get obsessed with you to the point where they want to become you. They want to rival you. They want to be with you. And some people can become so infatuated with your energy to the point where they try to humble you. But they fail. Even if they succeed 1, 2, maybe 3 or 4 times, they always fail because you have a lot of inner peace, inner balance. You're at peace with yourself. And even though you may have gone through many hardships in life, you always come back on top. You have a lot of self-respect, self-love, and a lot of people love you back in the same way. A lot of people want to be in romantic relationships with you. A lot of people want to befriend you, but you're quite selective with your energy. Not everyone can have access to your energy. And for some of you, this is just a message from Spirit to say, with your type of energy, not everyone deserves access to your energy. Because people become addicted and obsessed and territorial and possessive of your energy. Some people may even project onto others that they're in a relationship with you when they're really not. And you could be oblivious to this fact because you're not thinking that people can become so intensely fixated on you and wanting to be with you. But these are the schemes and means that people have succumbed to, even if it means that they're lying to others. Just the mere thought of other people thinking that they have been granted a relationship with someone like you makes them feel satisfied within, even though they know they're telling themselves a lie. But just having people think that you chose them means so much to people. You do actually come across very delusional individuals as well, who plot and plan and think of ways to be seen with you, to be associated with you, to get clout from you, or to be known as the one who destroyed you in some way, because they know deep down your energy is powerful, so powerful. And to be known as the one that had taken you down will make them feel powerful. But deep down, individuals who operate in this energy, they're powerless. You have many people in admiration of you. Many males want to be like you. They don't understand how you're able to draw in people from the opposite gender or the same gender. You literally can get anyone that you want. And it's because of the inner beauty that you possess. You radiate so much peace, love, compassion. And it's felt by all. You have this fatherly energy if you're masculine, whereby you give off this protective energy that you're going to take care of. You're going to provide. You're going to nurture. You're going to care for. You're going to shield. And you have this balanced feminine quality whereby you're not afraid to receive. You're not afraid to give love. You're not afraid to express your emotions. You're not afraid to cry. And many people struggle with expressing who they really are. And because you're so authentic, this is what makes you even more powerful. You are a lot of people's good karma. And for those individuals that have wronged you in the past, especially like past partners and so forth, they definitely face karma after wronging you. And they look back on their time with you in the now and wished that they didn't treat you in the way that they did. And it's not to say that you were innocent in those relationships, because we're not always right, but you may have made peace with your actions within those connections. But your exes haven't made peace with how they treated you. And for some of you, some of your exes chose others over you, or people in the present may have chosen people over you, and they regret it because they were met with karma and they were shown by spirit why they should have never pitted you up against anyone. Because whoever they chose over you proved to be a demon in disguise. You may have people trying to mimic your energy to get close to an object of your affection, or a goal that you want to do, or a project or a job. You know, you may get people that are trying to act like you, look like you, thinking that they can gain the same abundance as you, only to be met with failure, disappointment and embarrassment. Because realistically, what people actually want is your essence. Because your essence is bountiful. And it's amplified by the fact that you are beautiful outwardly. You are a great person. You generally care about others. And your exes from the past, or people from the past, want to into your life. They've never met anyone like you. And they never, ever will meet anyone like you again. Many people are sorry for the way that they treated you. I'm hearing you are a real one. You are one of the realest ones. How can someone be so beautiful, intelligent, kind, caring, compassionate, but not mine? Because for some of you, these individuals sabotage their connections with you. And they could be friends from the past, and they miss you. And these could be past lovers for some of you as well. But one thing is for sure, your essence is regal and royal, and not everyone deserves access to this special type of energy.